Alright, Wall man. I come home and you was right. I got her going there. Thanks for the support there. This is what it sounds like it's off.
Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing 1 2.
I'm on a regular hand mic made by Uniden. Now I'm going to turn this thing on. It's got a red light there. Now it's on.
Audio check, breaker break. Audio check, break. 1 2 1 2. Cheeseburger, 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 getting on down. Break, break, break.
You raise this up and it gives it more.
Audio check, break, break, break. 0408 just got down right there, right there. Break, break, break.
Yahoo! I love it. I love it. Oh yeah.